What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. For some reason I'm short and I'm just gonna record for my friend to see what happens here. So you know why? His chair got flew off. That's his chair right there. And he just got flown off and he's now there. He died at the start, bro. That's so sad. Okay, we're gonna stop there because we're gonna do the behind side. BC, we're gonna do it. So like, oh my god, what is this? Okay, I'm just gonna put my best friend's stuff there. Yeah, there you go. So there's one's in the back and one's in the front. That is so cool. I mean, look at our ship. We built this for so long. I mean, like, look at the time. Oh, never mind. But the time is very late. Oh my god. I guess we're fighting in the back now. Oh no. There's no cannons I can shoot in the front. Huh. What did I shoot on? I shoot on the original ship. No. I need to flip. Let's go. Oh no. Yes. Bruh. Side. By the way, inside you can see like there's like nothing inside. That is so sus. And inside you can actually be comfortable. I mean, like, it won't break. And look at this. The defense is so OP, bro. Let's speed this up. There's a secret thing I built inside. Yes, inside there. I'm trying to glitch in here. Where is it? Because I built, yeah, it's over here. Because I built a secret motor and it's not there. Oh no, the train. Oh, okay. It doesn't hurt anything. How did a cupcake just go through us? Like, oh? Okay, I'm just gonna show my best friend on what it's doing here. Oh no, not this thing. It will flip over, bro. Yo, it's so heavy that it won't fly. Yes. Oh, yo, look at our defense. Oh, no, there's a hole inside. Oh, my God. Oh, wait. Yo, look at the defense. It's barely scratched. Bro, no. No. Oh my god, the boat is so ruined, bro. Look at, you can even see the inside already. Oh no. Yo, we only got 3. Only three, bro. Yo, oh no, 2. Oh no, it's still 3. Still 3. Our canyons suck, bro. Our canyons suck. Wait. Yeah. Our canyons suck balls, bro. Oh my god. No. I hate this. No, canyons don't work on this. Oh no. Oh no, paintbrushes. Paintbrushes make it so weak. Yo! Bro, he just left already. I do not want to fall there. Stop, stop, stop. No. Yes, let's go. Bruh! Oh my god, why? Why? No, wait. Hold up. I can just walk here. Wait, we're actually so far
You
though.
spit there. You spit there. I don't care. I don't care.
Oh my god.